If Premiere Pro is refusing to import your file, don't worry. This is a very common problem, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to solve Premiere Pro file import failure, including simple file name fixes, clearing cache, changing file extensions, transcoding unsupported media, updating drivers, and restarting the app or your computer. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, start with the easiest fix: move or rename the file. A lot of import problems happen because the file is buried too deep in a folder path, or because the file name contains special characters, symbols, or extra punctuation that Premiere Pro doesn't like. To fix that, create a simple folder on your desktop or in your documents, then move the file there. Rename it to something clean and basic, like Video 1 or Project Clip. Avoid characters like symbols, brackets, accents, or very long names. Once that's done, go back into Premiere Pro and try importing the file again. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. If the file still won't import, the next thing to try is clearing the media cache. Over time, Premiere Pro stores temporary cache data that can be corrupted and interfere with importing. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. On Mac, go to Premiere Pro, then Preferences, then Media Cache. In that menu, choose Delete All Media Cache Files. This will remove the stored cache data and force Premiere to rebuild it fresh. After deleting the cache, close and reopen Premiere Pro, then try importing your file again. This step is especially useful if a file used to work before and suddenly starts failing. Now, if you're still getting an error, try changing the file extension. Sometimes the file format is supported, but Premiere has trouble reading the extension correctly. For example, you can try renaming a .mkv file to .mp4 or .mts, or an mp3 file to .wav, depending on the actual source format. This is not always a guaranteed fix, but in some cases it helps Premiere recognize the file properly. Just remember, this only works if the file is actually compatible underneath. Renaming the extension does not convert the file itself. So if it still fails after renaming, move on to the next step. If Premiere Pro still refuses the file, the best solution is to transcode it using Adobe Media Encoder. This is one of the most reliable ways to fix import failures, especially when dealing with unusual formats or problematic camera footage. Open Adobe Media Encoder and add the file to the queue. Then choose a supported output format like Apple ProRes or a high-quality H.264 MP4. These formats are widely supported and usually import into Premiere Pro without issues. After the conversion is complete, import the newly created file into Premiere Pro instead of the original one. In a lot of cases, this instantly solves the problem because the file is now in a cleaner, more edit-friendly format. Another thing you should check is your graphics drivers. If you are seeing a generic error message, outdated drivers can sometimes be the cause. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your system. Install the update, restart your computer, and then open Premiere Pro again. Updated drivers can fix import dives, playback issues, and random errors that appear when importing media. And finally, don't underestimate the simplest fix of all: restart Premiere Pro or reboot your computer. Temporary glitches, stuck background processes, or memory issues can sometimes block imports for no obvious reason. Close the application completely, reopen it, and try again. If that doesn't help, restart the entire computer and test the file one more time. You'd be surprised how often this clears up the issue. So to quickly recap, move the file to a simple folder, rename it to remove special characters, clear your media cache, try changing the extension, transcode the file with Adobe Media Encoder, update your graphics drivers, and restart if needed. One of these steps will usually get your media imported properly in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting tips, editing tutorials, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.